The damn bells are off again. It's the same every Saturday. They pour in and pour out, throw around rice and confetti, and the bells ding their dong. Sometimes I spend the whole morning watching the couples come and go. Some of them do it with such fanfare, like the opening of the Olympics. But the thing we all know is the great unceremonious wedding day. The horrible truth that most of these couples will be divorced within a decade. And some by Tuesday. Marriages never seem to last these days. That's why people spend less on presents as each year goes by. I mean, you can spend a fortune buying something glorious to celebrate their marital bliss, yet you know full well that within a few years he'll be with someone younger, she'll be at her mother's, and the dress will be on eBay. I've come to the conclusion that people shouldn't give a gift to the happy couple, they should rent a gift to the happy couple. I'm just being realistic. I love a good romance as much as anyone. But the divorces keep coming at you. And that's another thing. Divorce. It's all done by forms and letters, stamped and signed in legal offices. At least at the Olympics you have an opening ceremony and a closing ceremony. So a marriage should be the same. I think that if the couple want to split, they should have to march back into the church with the same 500 friends and family in attendance, return the ring and renounce the vows. Then the congregation gets to recollect all the toasters and steak knives and throw them at the unhappy couple. You'd attract quite a crowd. Even I'd go to church for that.